for urination, you get up for disturb of sleep. कोई मच्छर भी काटा, कुछ भी हुआ, write down कि 12:30 बजे मेरी नींद खुल गई. ठीक है? हाँ. Then again, go to bed. Again आप 2 बजे उठ गए, लिखो मैं 2 बजे उठा, write down the reason. This way you do for 2 weeks. Your entire cycle is before your eyes, that why your sleep will get disturbed and how you improve upon. Why to improve upon? What way to improve upon? ठीक है? So this is one technique. हाँ. So this you have to maintain at least 15 days. More you can maintain it better for you, but may keep it for 15 days will help you tremendously. ठीक है? We can request library to provide us. चलें? Okay, continue. Huh? Out of 100 people, hardly 5 people they sleep well. Remaining people देख ले, नहीं मेरा नींद बराबर नहीं है, मैं सोया नहीं बराबर. How many of you travel by local train? How many? Okay. And what have you observed in local train? कितने आदमी सोते हैं? देखा है ना? देखा है ना? ठीक है. और कैसे सोते हैं देखा है? द पैटर्न. हाँ, कैसे सोते हैं? हाथ ऐसे होता है. ठीक है. ज्यादा करके लोग सोते हैं हाथ ऐसे होता है ना? नहीं, ऊपर खड़े होते हैं. हाँ, वो खड़े तो मैं सोता हूँ, लेकिन ज्यादा करके लोग ऐसे बैठ के सोते हैं. ठीक है. कभी सोचा ऐसे क्यों सोते हैं? कभी सोचा नहीं ना? नहीं, that is belonging, but why this particular posture? There must be some reason behind. This knowledge is not given by railway. ममता बनर्जी ने नहीं दिया है कि आप शिगन टिकट निकाला and you have to lie down this, then you are not permitted nothing, or nothing is written in your शिगन ticket also. ठीक है? Only we sleep in this particular pattern. Now do one more exercise. Okay, these are 5 elements. 5 elements. Father and mother. ठीक है? All energy enter from here and here. So once you do like this, ठीक है, then your fusing is charged. Without fusing, you don't enjoy electricity. हमारे बॉडी में भी एक करंट है, known as bio-electrical magnetical waves. If these are not there, we can't enjoy. So this is the fusing. Now, when the word fusing has come, it means there must be electricity, right? Electricity, right? Now, what have you observed in this season, in a monsoon? Lightning. And lightning always comes in zigzag. So this is zigzag. Entering energy here, hurting here, going back, hurting here, right? So this is zigzag. Okay. So once you do like this and do like this, then you are completely fused. अभी ट्रेन में कितना आवाज होता है, कितना डिस्टर्ब होता है? नींद डिस्टर्ब होती है क्या? नहीं ना. और घर में इतना आवाज आए तो बच्चे को बूम मार के चिल्लाई गया, अरे टीवी बंद कर, मैं नींद डिस्टर्ब होती है. घर में लाइट चालू होती है तो नींद डिस्टर्ब होती है. ट्रेन में लाइट बंद होती है क्या? नहीं ना. लेकिन कितने प्यार से नींद आती है. बैठे नहीं, गाड़ी छुट्टी नहीं, हम सो जाते हैं ना. सो दिस इज द रीजन. सो दिस व्हेन यू गो टू बेड, डू लाइक दिस. ब्रेक एंड रिलीज and count 1, 2, 3. Count. Go on counting. Go on counting. Sometime before you reach 10, you will be fast asleep. ठीक है? Very simple. Now you know the logic behind. You know the science behind. Why this sleeping body. Any whatever you feel comfortable. You know hard and fast only. You have to do like this. Do like this. So you are charging and like this. ठीक है? Very simple. चले आगे. Okay. Now next is. हाँ बोलो ना. हाँ.
These points are said that for putting down yourself in that basis.
Right. Sujogi is excellent. I am lucky to stay with Dr. Park. We were together for 15 days. A nice person. He died, poor chap. He expired. अच्छे आदमी की इस दुनिया में कीमत नहीं. डॉक्टर पर्क just expired last March में. You know that Dr. Park loved to come to Mumbai, but it's such a beautiful experience that he left coming to Mumbai. Now see, insomnia is a very common word, which is a problem with most of the people, right? Now we will learn how to overcome this. What are the pros and cons for this, right? We should understand our body clock. Now what is body clock? I given the chart, complete chart I given you. What is body clock? What time, what organ is active? Okay? Now the best time to take any medicine or to take any treatment is morning 6 o'clock, afternoon 12 o'clock, evening 6 and night 12. Why? At that time, इसको हम कहते हैं संधि काल. Understand the meaning of संधि काल? जब एक time, तभी that particular moment, everything is balanced. Yin and yang energy is in balance. So that time you should not miss. Morning 6 o'clock. Now morning 6 o'clock is a time for self-examination. Now if you know Sujok, you know any therapy, that is the right time to understand whether your body is tuned up or not tuned up. Or you need any treatment or कुछ गड़बड़ है या नहीं है. Okay. Any medication if you want to give any patient, ask them to take this morning 6 o'clock, afternoon 12 o'clock, because that time the body is more in balance. So medication works better. This is my professional topmost secret I am giving you because our doctor colleague is here. ठीक है? चलो आगे. Okay, now next is evening 6 o'clock. That is the right time for a treatment. Now if you want to give any treatment to any patient, give treatment at 6 o'clock. Right? Now see, morning 6 o'clock, the sun energy is coming. Rising sun energy is coming. So harvest that energy. That energy is very beautiful. How many of you know Agnihotra? Do you practice Agnihotra? Since how many years?
Last 20 years.
Okay, I practice Agnihotra in last 28 years. And Agnihotra is very good. Right, one day we will make a demonstration here. So you harvest energy, sun ray energy, which is very powerful, where all the sun ray gives you all healthy energy. And evening 6 o'clock, when the rays are going back, they go back with all germs and all bacteria and all virus. To protect from that, you charge energy at that particular moment. Right? Got the point? And afternoon 12 o'clock is the time when sun is on the midway. So that is again a balance. Right? And night 12 o'clock is the time when day का जो progress होने का शुरू होता है. So that is the time. And now, night 12 o'clock, if you are working on computer, if you are playing something, then my friend, understand that what is the reason, what is going to happen. So that is the time when compulsorily you should go to bed. 11 बजे कम से कम सो जाओ. Because otherwise your body cycle get disturbed. And when the body cycle get disturbed, no doctor can help you. Unless and until doctor has knowledge about nadi, that is pulse, knowledge about your body clock, then that doctor can help you. चलें आगे. Generally, how many hours do you sleep?
I sleep very late. That's why I'm studying that.
Okay.
And I get up very late in the morning.
Okay. No, I would like to know average hours.
Around 5 to 6 hours.
Okay. And how many of you feel tired when you get next day morning? You feel tired, right? Most of you feel tired next day. Now let us try to understand what is wrong, where it is wrong, how to correct this. So this entire workshop is designed on that. Okay, but this I cannot finish it in one day. It will take another 4 or 5 sessions. Right. Now friends, here, who is responsible for this result? We only. Because we break the law of Mother Nature. And once you break the law of Mother Nature, then you have to suffer. Okay? You cannot go against law of Mother Nature. Right? So please understand the law of Mother Nature. Now what is law of Mother Nature? That night is for sleep, day is for awaking and working. So हम दिन को सोते हैं, रात को जागते हैं. Now before I proceed further, there is one request. Midday sleep is not permissible. दोपहर को सोना जरूरी नहीं है. No सोना अच्छा. लेकिन if you feel like sleeping, then there is a technique. If you want, you can note down. After your lunch, you do Vajrasana. If it is possible, Vajrasana. And after that, walk 100 steps. Walk 100 steps. Okay? Minimum. Maximum you can walk 1000 steps. Take 1, 2, 3 like that. Minimum 100, maximum 1000. Then lie down straight. Lie down straight and breathe in and breathe out for 8 times. 8. Or no, lunch. After lunch. After lunch. 8 or 9 times you breathe. Then turn to your right. मल्टीप्लाई बाय 8 और 9 टाइम यू ब्रीथ, ठीक है, 8 हो तो 16, 9 हो तो 18, ठीक है, देन टर्न टू योर लेफ्ट, मल्टीप्लाई 36 or 32 whatever comes, ठीक है, and then immediately you get up, then don't sleep. Then if you sleep, then you are inviting obesity. Boring touch.